Can we grow Alwan Research Studio free without creating content? Let's see it. Growing Alwan Research Studio without creating content might be challenging since content is often the core of any research or publication studio. However, here are some strategies that could help in its growth. Networking and collaboration. Partner with universities, research institutions, and other publication houses. Collaborate with scholars and writers who can contribute to the studio's mission. Workshops and events. Organize events, workshops, or webinars on relevant topics like language development, typography, publication techniques. This can establish the studio's presence without direct content creation. Community building. Create and nurture a community around language research, typography, and high quality publication. Engage in discussion, provide resources, and support like minded individuals and groups. Sponsorships and grants. Apply for grants and sponsorships from organizations interested in language preservation, research, and cultural studies. This can provide funding and recognition without content creation. Resource sharing offers tools, templates, or software that can be valuable for researchers, writers, or publishers. Promoting the studio as a resource hub. Volunteering and internships. Attract volunteers or interns who share your vision. They can contribute to various aspects of the studio, bringing in fresh ideas and energy without requiring extensive content creation. Social media and online presence. Build a strong online presence through social media where you share insights, updates on projects, and engage with a broader audience. These strategies can help in building a foundation for Alwan Research Studio, creating a name and network for it even before and without creating extensive content.